Look at this machine light in my hands. Its model number is F9M. Its shell is made of aluminum alloy, enlarged one, superheat dissipation ribs. The cooling effect is great. There are 4 rows of light beads, which are distributed in the shape of stars. Soft glow and high brightness. The surface is anodized, and the aluminum surface is made of high-strength tempered glass, which has strong impact resistance, waterproof, oil-proof, explosion-proof, and corrosion-proof. Protection level is IP67. The L-shaped mounting brackets are fixed and sliding installations, respectively, suitable for various installation sizes. The input voltage are 24 volts or 220 volts, and suitable for various machine tools. Next, let me light it up for you. Look forward to cooperating with you. Oujie Lighting.